So now we'll see how to get two largest number from the C# array. C# array. So now I'll declare one integer int array equals int of, or directly you can assign the values like this: 5, 12, 3, 9, 1, 6, 7, like this. So I have array. Now how can I get largest number? Using sort. How you sort? Okay. So int array2 equals. So how you sort? Array dot array dot so write in a main method sem. So array dot ordered by descending t implies t dot take 2 dot to array. So this way we'll get the highest two numbers. So now how you do? So either you can do console.writeLine of array of 0, array of 1, or you can use for each loop for loop to iterate this. So now console.read or read key. Let's execute this. We'll get the output like this. So what are the what is the output? Two highest numbers, 1 and 9. So this is way 1, way 2. This is way 1. We'll get the output like 12 and 9. So way 2. So without using link, I want to do the manual iteration. We'll see now. So I'll take two numbers, int first large equals int dot main value int second large int dot main value. So what is this int dot main value will do? We'll see while debugging. So next, what I do for each int num in array. Let's do the for each loop. Second largest equals largest first large. So I'll assign like this, and first large equals number. When this, so when there is check condition, if number is greater than first large, then second large equals to first large, and first large equals to number. And one more scenario, else if number is greater than second large and number not equals to first large. So this particular scenario also we have to iterate second largest equals to number. So now let's do this. Console.writeLine. First largest number is second largest number is. Now run this. We'll get the output like this. Highest largest number 12, after that 9. This is how we'll get the output like this. First largest number is 12 and second largest number is 9. So this is way 2 through manual iteration.